Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show exactly how to find all your abouts on Facebook web on PC with the latest update. Whether you're auditing your profile, checking what's visible, or simply organizing your info, these steps will get you there in seconds. First, open Facebook in your browser and make sure you're logged into the right account. Once your newsfeed loads, look to the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This opens a drop-down menu with key options for your account. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy. You'll see a list appear. Click on Activity Log. This is your central hub for tracking everything you've done on Facebook, but we're going deeper to manage your profile details. Inside the Activity Log, locate the left-hand menu and click on Personal Information. This section holds all the data Facebook stores about your identity, contact details, and profile content. Now, look for an option labeled Profile Information and click on it. From there, you'll see a clear link or tab named About. Click to enter. Once you're in the About section, you'll see all the categories you've filled out: work and education, places you've lived, contact and basic info, family and relationships, life events, and more. Scroll through each area to review what's listed, what's hidden, and what you might want to update or remove. This path works for the new Facebook web layout on PC and is the fastest way to access your full About info without hunting through multiple menus. If you ever need to edit something, just click the pencil icon next to each detail. For privacy, use the audience selector to choose who can see each piece of info: public, friends, or only you. That's it. You now know how to find all your abouts on Facebook web on PC with the new update. If this helped you, drop a like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more simple Facebook tips and tutorials.